light. Okay, folks, we're back on the bobber here.
Joe's favorite bike.
Love when this one comes into town.
That's glass, so don't break it.
Yeah, don't let her drop. Maybe a rag to wipe off the bench with, though. It's really filthy.
You didn't bring a rag with you? That's special right here. Flip it over. If you lay this down, it scratches it. So you always got to lay them down here, so the goods part is not rubbing on the floor.
Yeah, this came out with a bulb.
I don't know. I was going to look at that and you broke it.
No, it was already
Give me a chance to look at it.
It fell out, Kent.
Joe's jumping ahead of the project.
Look at
What?
this. I took the light bulb out, and that
I
piece
know.
of rock came out with
I
it.
know. I was going to take the bulb out.
That wasn't it, though.
Well, that's not even a two-stage bulb. That's a single-stage bulb.
That's why there's two bulbs in there.
A piece of junk.
And one of them, so what, they're grounded to the frame, I guess?
Why don't they make a double? Here. This is the wiring stuff.
You can take the bottom one out and take a look at that fixture.
So then we got a single wire hookup in it. Too big.
Is that the spring?
Here.
What do you want to do?
Push from the back side.
Push anything out?
The screwdriver came out. Let's get the rubber out.
Is that what we're trying to do?
I'm trying to get the guts out so you can
There's
see.
a spring in there, isn't there?
And there's a spring.
And what else, the rubber?
There's something in there. Whatever comes out, comes
I don't
out.
think there's anything else in there, is there?
There's a rubber in there. Coming out
That?
one way.
Is that it?
Well, it's in there still. At some point, it's going to come
I
out.
can't see it.
There it goes. It's out. At some point, you're going to get all the crap out that goes in there. Okay.
Yeah, let me find the other piece.
What was the other piece you dropped? What was it?
Get a flashlight.
Flashlight. This is a very nice piece of rubber here.
What's in this other, the lower one here?
There's some serious amount of quality going on
That
there.
must be the brake light then.
Yeah, that's the brake light because it works.
See that one? How small it is?
Yeah. Single wire.
I push that wire forward, will all the guts come out of it?
Yep.
You want to do that?
Not really.
Okay. Put that one back in there.
That's how it works. So pull all that straight out. It looks like a really quality piece of equipment here.
That's on the Henry Ford's high quality stuff.
So there's the what's left of the wire terminal. That looks like just a big piece of solder on there.
There it is. A big piece of solder on it?
Yeah, down there.
I'm trying to find out a part for that damn thing.
Yeah, looks like that's what they got in there.
Yeah, well, this wire was sticking through there. I don't know what it was onto though, you know?
I can't see. It's crimped on
Broke
there.
off.
That has the actual seal still in there, the rubber. That just has the wire.
That is the other piece that came off.
That's the cap. It looks like it's just a piece of solder. The rubber's gone. That's the seal.
Oh. Was it an O-ring or what to keep the moisture out?
Well, this is one of the more than
Or what's
O-ring,
left
but
of it?
That's what's left of a piece of rubber, but
So, yeah, nice one. Got a little hot probably when that wire melted.
oh yeah.
Well, that's nice. That's got some nice little
No, it's all eaten up.
bubbles in it and shit.
Just contamination, oil, or
Put this one back in so we don't
stuff, or
lose
whatever.
anything on that.
Well, I already pulled that one out. It works fine. I already pushed it out.
Leave it like that.
Well, it'll go back in. It should. Yeah, it'll go back.
There's a wire on it, spring and
It'll go
everything,
back
right?
in. Yeah, it goes back in.
Where's the mark, the line, like right there? They're both the same, so it shouldn't matter.
Yeah. Yes. Those are not the correct taillight bulbs.
Okay, so, do you think it's set up to where one is on all the time and the other one is brake light when you hit the brakes?
Just the taillight. And
That's
that's
the
the
brake
brake
light?
light.
That's what running then? And then at daytime it's only the lower one will work and you hit the
It
brakes.
looks like the bulb is still good.
So we need this thing got cloth wrapped wire on it.
It's got junk on it.
I think it was cloth.
Well, it's fake looking stuff.
It says modern cloth.
It's made to look like an old light. So it's got old style wiring on it. But it's modern.
Call that girl and ask if she wants to replace the tail light or not.
It's modern China production.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like it's got two little bulb screw things here.
Yeah.
But see, it's made to be a round thing on it. It's made to be that on there.
Do those screws come through the inside or what?
Yeah.
How do you repair it?
You have to get
You
it
try to
kit.
make this thing? That's
Well,
the rock. That's not
you got to look for a wiring repair kit.
this one.
Say it's an auto parts store.
Piece of aluminum.
But they probably won't fit.
Put a new.
I'm trying to remember where I got all those things at.
What was the damn socket in? It must be behind here somewhere. Was holding it in? Huh? The socket.
Here. Somewhere for all this crap up here.
Wasn't me. Now you're getting close to me.
Somewhere up in all this crap. Especially terminal. I put all this shit around where I can get to it. See?
Oh, aren't we fancy? Having the little chingies, huh?
These are actually the pieces
Wow.
that are supposed to be in there, but see,
Wow.
these are made out of real material.
Damn.
Not that soldered crap they had.
Nice, Keenan. I didn't know you had those.
So these are a little hard to come by.
They can be replaced, though. I didn't know that.
You got to buy them by the 100, and the 100 was about 20 years ago or 30 years ago. We bought 100 of those.
It cost a lot of money then, probably.
Actually, half came to me and half went to someone else. But you hiding those rotors?
Just keep them out of the way.
Oh, okay.
They need repair.
So you have to put one of those in there, but the problem is the rubber's bad. And the other thing is, I don't know if that
was on top of that, right? The wire went through that, and then.
yeah, it was still work going through this hole because it's pushed against the spring here.
Yeah, exactly.
But they make a pigtail repair for lights that has a lot of these different pieces and parts in there, but they're pretty universal and pretty crappy. So you could get that where it would go in there.
You just need a piece of wire coming out. There you go. Or you can hook somehow solder that one onto the fixture in there, the new brass piece.
I'd rather actually have a real brake light, tail light bulb in there is what I'd really like to have.
1157 type,
Yeah.
like dual.
Yeah, an actual real bulb. So you have to get a whole socket, but they don't sell those. I don't think they sell those parts. I have to go investigate.
Well, we gotta take it off. See how it holds it in then.
It looks like it's just all swedged together anyway, so it's not like you can just change that piece of crap out. It's part of the tail light. Cheaper to buy another light and dick with it.
And it's made for that bracket's made for that round light like that.
Yeah.
Nothing
Yeah,
else on those would work.
Yeah, it's not a.
Yeah, look at how it's held on there too.
So you got a bunch
That
of
one-
silicone or something on that
Yeah,
one already.
something happened to that one. Got a little warm also, it looks like.
Yeah, it's just garbage.
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 Got a nice license plate though.
So we'll have to see what we can do on that. Alright, well, there you go.
We'll be back later.
As expected, more junk. So it's exactly what I was figuring I was going to get in there, except I thought it was going to be a regular dual bulb, not a stupid single. But other than that, I'm not surprised by what I see. And this is the big problem right here. I can fix that, but I can't fix the rubber that's just dissolved. There's nothing left of
rubber
it.
grommet pack, huh?
There's nothing left of that damn thing. So, all right, we'll be back something
Go down
else.
to the Model A store and get something.